Hello there, fellow travelers. It's Alex here from Via Travelers, and today we are going to be checking out something from Low & Sons. We have the Low & Sons Catalina Deluxe Tote. This comes in the large size here that I have, and it has this bottom midnight ash color. That's the selection. So the first impressions I had when opening this up is that it's really nice, sturdy material. It's made from recycled poly, which is really durable, and it's going to be easy to clean, which is really essential, you know, when you're going on all those trains and planes, whatever, to keep this crisp cream color. It's nice that it's washable. It's really large as well. It's definitely big enough for a weekend, if not longer. And overall, I really like the look and the feel of it. It feels like a really nice, well-built, well-made tote. This tote measures 18 inches by 16 by 9, and it has 26 liter capacity. This is a pretty big tote. So let's open up and take a look. In addition, it comes with a strap here that's the cream color, and then it also has a removable base, which is great because it's so easy to clean that way. So it comes just like this, and all you need to do is open it up, and then it Velcros together. I like the fact that it's removable because then it gives some flexibility as to how you pack your bag. This is great too for shoes. If you want to put shoes down at the bottom, this will protect everything. So this bottom part actually opens up like that. And this is where you can put the insert in here. So I could put some shoes in there and be ready to go. So let's try to pack it a little bit to see how much it can fit. So in this bottom part here, I'm a size 8 shoe for reference, and I can fit 2 shoes perfect, and then probably a third pair up here if needed. If you have smaller feet, you could probably fit even more, but this is how it works for me. So go ahead and package that up. After all that, there's still plenty of room in here to add more. Could probably fit an additional 3 sweatshirts or 2 more pairs of pants and 5 more shirts, even another pair of shoes if that's what you'd like to bring. And there you go. So now this being fully packed, or almost fully packed, it would still fit under the seat in front of you on an airplane. Say bigger than this, you'd probably want to put an overhead compartment, but either would work. And I also want to point out how nice it is that the bottom dark color, because it sits up really easily, especially with stuff in here. So that way the ground won't discolor the nice cream color. Okay, so overall review, this is a really nicely built bag. The material is really strong and sturdy. There are so many nice zippered pockets, and it's easy to carry, easy to hold. It does go crossbody as well as over the shoulder, which is great. The one downside I will say is that it could get heavy if you pack it very full, because the material itself is already a little bit heavy because it's so well made. It is also around $200, so it is a bit of an investment, but with all the functionality options here, I'd say it's worth it. So we're gonna take this with us on our next trip. I'm excited to try it out in the real world.